Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials now. Check that the mic is in the mic jack or USB port, and that speakers/headset aren't plugged into the mic input. Once done, open your system sound settings and set the correct recording device as the default input. Make sure to turn off any listen to this device or loopback options in the OS and the application. Doing this prevents your output from being rerouted back into the mic, which is often the root cause. Next, focus on drivers and software routing. Update the audio drivers and firmware for USB interfaces or sound cards so the device reports correct inputs and outputs. Then, inspect your DAW or app routing. Ensure input tracks are assigned only to the mic and not to system output or stereo mix. Use exclusive mode or match sample rates between apps and device to prevent resampling that can create feedback-like loops. Once these align, the software will stop feeding playback into the recording stream. Finish by isolating and testing to confirm the fix. Mute system output or enable push-to-talk in communication apps so the mic only activates when you intend. Test recording in a different application and, if possible, another device to determine whether hardware or software is at fault. If the issue persists, reset audio settings to defaults or use an inline hardware mute or mic switch to force isolation. Key troubleshooting tip. If you still hear output through the mic, try a different cable to rule out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.